Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some junk mail jewelry. And I'm using a newspaper flyer that I got in the mail. I cut a pattern from a cereal box, and that was the natural fold. So I just folded it and cut it out of shape, and this is just a little teardrop shape. And now I'm just going to trace around it on different colors. This is just some houses. I'm going to turn it this way, and I will place my form down, trace around it, like that. There might be enough here to do two. And over here. Like that. And I might just make some designs on these. And then I'm just going to cut them out. Now you can use either Mod Podge or glue. And I have a cereal box here. So I'm just going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to spread it on my cardboard. Place that down and then smooth another layer of Mod Podge over the top. And I've already done that to all of these. And while the Mod Podge is still wet, I'm going to pounce with my brush like that, because that will give a texture. Instead of having paintbrush marks, you'll have some texture like that on your earrings. And I'm going to allow these to dry. Okay, I speeded up the drying with my hair dryer. So now I'm just going to cut them out. And it's up to you whether you leave the black line around them or not. So that's those, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of these out. Okay, I have them all cut out, and you could either leave the backs this color, or you could color them in with a black marker, like that. Now, if you like on the front, you could just take the black marker and make another line all along the outside edge, like that. Okay, I've gone ahead and outlined them all with my black marker. And if you like, you could also add some details. So on these, I'm just going to make one black dot. Like that. Now, I want these to be very shiny. So you could either coat them with nail polish, just a clear nail polish, or even a glitter nail polish. Or you could use a glaze finish. And I'm going to use this gloss finish. Okay, so there's how the glossy finish looks, and it's glossy on both front and back. And now I'm just going to punch a hole, insert a jump ring, add an ear wire, and these are my favorites, and they were from a pizza ad. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make earrings from junk mail. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.